Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege crashing PC. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Network and Internet from the left side. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh your network stability, because an unstable internet can sometimes trigger game crashes. Next, click on Advanced Network Settings. Here, select Network Reset. This will reinstall network drivers and restore default settings, which can help fix connection-related crashes or syncing issues in online games. After that, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then click on Check for Updates and install all available updates. Outdated system files or drivers can often cause Rainbow Six Siege to crash. Now go back to the desktop and open the Run dialog. Type temp and click OK. Now select all files in the folder and delete them to clear the temporary system cache that may interfere with game performance. Then go back and open Run again, type %temp% and press Enter. Again, delete all files in this folder to remove leftover cache data that can slow down or destabilize applications. Next, open the Recycle bin and click Empty Recycle bin to fully remove junk files and free system resources. Now open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. Select the time range. Then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and cached files, then click Delete Data. Once everything is done, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Rainbow Six Siege again. Also, make sure your graphics drivers are updated and close background apps like overlays or recording software that can cause crashes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.